My name is Samantha Thompson. I work for Stanley Black Decker in the Outdoor Division. I am the Quality and Workforce Management Supervisor. I love thinking about customer experience, and I think each business, each contact center, it may mean something different. For me, I think of customer experience on two different levels. I think about it internally because my contact center, they're my customers. And I look to please them, and I really try to provide them right here, right now service as much as I can. Our biggest result that we have seen is our increase in schedule adherence. Again, prior to using the Verint tool, we did not have a focus on schedule adherence at all. We really didn't know what it was. I think it's something we had heard of in the past. So when we rolled out, we were probably in a low 80s, maybe high 70s. Now, current day, we are meeting and exceeding our goal of 90%, so much so that we're looking to increase our goal overall to possibly a 92, 93. One, because we always want to improve. We are big believers in NPS surveys, so we have them offered both via email, live chat, as well as at the end of a call. And those we communicate on a weekly and monthly basis and quarterly, and we use them to actually recognize our advocates within our contact center. Beginning to utilize this tool, we really just had that visibility to these real-time metrics. You know, we're able to see every 15 minutes where our staffing should be and maybe where we're not. So it's allowed us to right-size our headcount simply by being able to see the data as it's rolling in. I mean, really, how can you view that on a spreadsheet? Every 15 minutes? That's really not realistic. So we've been able to see where we can make some changes within our contact center and where we maybe need a bigger focus on a head count, or where we thought we did in the past, but now we don't. We have all of my live chat team were previously phone people. I mean, so we were able to take some of that labor and put them into a different work group, not to give up or ask for, not giving up those resources, but also not needing to ask for more headcount, but because we had that visibility to see, okay, I really didn't need 20 people here. I only needed 5 or 15. Let me advocate for another department, or let me allocate them to a different place. Much like many other contact centers and even the world today, we are still struggling with getting staffing, whether it's just a seasonal base. So we really look to the flexibility and that cross-training that we've been able to provide with, utilizing the tool to show us when we can schedule it, to meet the needs of the customers that are coming in. And I mean, the tool has given me so much flexibility in terms of reporting. I can break it down by a single call line, a single queue. I can break it down by a supervisor, or even go as far as a staffing agency, so I can see performance. And maybe I know somebody doesn't take as many calls, so I'm gonna have them go to lunch at a different time as somebody who takes a lot more calls, because then I'm servicing the customer. And again, that visibility and that flexibility, I don't think would have been there without this tool.